Welcome to Force Robotics, where we are changing the industry with next-generation drone technology. Here we can take a look at our Peryton drone concept. The Peryton drone was developed to provide military and first responders with an unmanned asset that could give the operator a tactical advantage in a wider variety of mission sets. With the help of our patent-pending drone air-to-ground transition system, the Peryton drone will be the world's first drone with ability to fly, transition, and drive at just the press of a button, allowing our drone to operate unlike any other drone on the market. The Peryton drone will support FLIR Hadron 640 or dual, thermal, and visible OEM camera module. With a 64-megapixel visible camera and a high-resolution radiometric boson thermal camera with a size, weight, and power-optimized design. With the Hadron 640 or the Peryton would be able to see through total darkness, smoke, and glare. The Hadron's radiometric ability allows the user to measure the temperature of every pixel on screen. This feature ensures faster, safer, and more accurate reading during inspections. The Hadron's thermal imaging camera gives the Peryton drone the ability to locate hostile personnel day or night with the highest resolution possible in such a small package. Next, we will take a look at all of Force Robotics' service capabilities. In partnership with Messenger and Associates Land Surveying, Force Robotics uses a Microdrones MD4-1000 drone to offer drone-based aerial photogrammetry to produce high-resolution orthomosaic maps and dense point clouds for surveys and gathering of elevation data. This data is utilized for site selection, project updates, boundary visualization, assistance in calculating volumes, and drainage calculations. This service is especially valuable in the oil and gas, energy, infrastructure, and agricultural industries. Drone photography and videos. Force Robotics offers drone photography and videos to capture key marketing content for residential and commercial real estate, giving you and your customers a bird's-eye view or a smooth fly-through of any property, instantly taking your listing to the next level. Matterport 3D Virtual Tours. Force Robotics offers Matterport Capture 3D virtual tours to create an immersive experience, unlike any other for your customers, whether it's commercial or residential real estate. For more information, visit our website at www.forcerobotics.net. Thank you, and welcome to Force Robotics, the future of drone technology.